Welcome to Ajayasthro Guru, your go-to channel for the latest updates and advanced analysis on global commodities. Today, we are diving into the recent movements in CBOT wheat futures and the factors influencing the market. As of September 3rd, the Chicago Board of Trade (CBOT) wheat futures have seen a slight rise, marking the fifth consecutive day of gains. This upward trend is largely attributed to declining wheat production in Europe, which has helped prices recover from their near 4-year lows. The most active CBOT wheat contract increased by 0.2%, reaching $5.52 per bushel. Last week, we saw a 4.5% rise, supported by ongoing European crop challenges, especially in France, where the wheat harvest is reported to be the worst since the 1980s. However, despite this positive movement, the wheat market remains under pressure. Global supplies are still abundant, and competition from cheaper Black Sea grain continues to weigh on prices. Adding to the concern, the European Commission has recently revised its forecast for usable EU common wheat production for the 2024-25 season. The estimate has been lowered to 116.1 million metric tons, down from a previous forecast of 120.8 million tons. The Commission has also reduced its soft wheat export forecast from 32 million tons to 26 million tons. In Russia, agricultural consultancy Sovesong has also downgraded its wheat production forecast for 2024, now estimating it at 82.5 million metric tons, slightly down from 83.3 million tons. Despite this reduction, the Russian wheat crop remains substantial by historical standards. Meanwhile, other major wheat-producing nations, including Canada, the United States, and Australia, are expecting strong harvests. Notably, Australia has increased its wheat production estimate by 2.7 million tons, further contributing to the global supply. These dynamics create a mixed outlook for wheat prices moving forward. While European production woes are providing some support, the global market's overall supply remains strong, which could limit significant price gains in the near term. Thank you for tuning into Ajayasthro Guru. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth analysis and updates on commodities from around the world.